You know, this is a form of recreation, part of my retirement. And I've saved up my money over the years, and this is one of the things I'm doing, just like somebody else might be going skiing or whatever else.
Mission. Starship heading back to the landing zone.